Well,
Keto. Okay.
okay.
All
Can
right.
I put Percy on the end?
Yeah. It's not gonna actually stay. All right. I'll just...
You gotta get. Wait. Well, that Thomas has been chosen. It just turned on.
All right.
So we have Wendy Thomas
versus Beachy Nia. Go.
Ghana.
I'll just redo them. And then all this like in between stuff can just be on 52. On your tracks. Get set, go. Oh, Nia.
Dang.
Why did they just freeze? Alright, next up we have Beachy Nia versus
Wendy Thomas.
on your tracks. Get set, go.
Okay, we're sending a comment.
No, we're just doing a different one. To what?
To what?
Because obviously, tradition of having push-alongs at the end.
Because they get pushed along.
It's supposed to be menus, but you know. Whatever. Wow, it's 3-0 my side, Grant. Clearly, you suck.
This is so fair.
How is it not?
Hold up.
Yeah, the one part. I feel like Percy should be.
No, this is fair now.
Here. There we go.
Deal. But Percy's still off. Just for being a loser.
Come here, Frida.
Okay. I'm actually going to do this a little bit.
Yeah, make it work, you know?
We wanted to collapse, but...
We want it to collapse, but also work. Alright.
Alright, give me a coin.
Hold on, I'll go get a coin.
Electric! Hey everyone!
Let me get a coin. There's gotta be a coin somewhere. Oh, I rearranged that. There wouldn't be money there. I think I know where a coin is. Brand, I got a coin.
Half point to each.
Okay, so you sit back down and I'll, so we'll end it at that. Get me a coin, and then I'll coin.
Alright.
Night. Salty had nothing on him.
Where do I even put the winners? I don't know.
Just in a pile standing up. I know, you've never won before. Wow.
And then Bruno came in and just finished him.
Brent's on a win streak. I need to crush him. Set the chocolate down for this.
Diesel.
There's no one quite like... There's no one quite... Come on.
Oh.
Ooh.
I think it collapsed a little bit.
I don't see it personally. Just like, look at poor Percy right there.
When do we send the economy? Wait. It's going down.
We just put this on like ×3 or something. Where's the shark?
Flip a coin. Alright. It's going down.
You gotta find the batteries and...
Oh!
You're watching, okay? Because I'm gonna do this.
He's so quickly up. He's right side up at this point. It is so good.
Oh, she works now. Ah, I opened it. I was like, I probably missed one. It would make sense. Yeah, she works.
Okay, this track is practically flat. This guy's just
Bruno.
dang.
There's
Diesel.
Bruno.
Victoria.
4-win streak. Barely.
Yeah, but like, I have a 5-win crew.
I know, I'm going for your 5. And how am I going to do that? I'm coming back with Muddy LeGrew.
And there's no one quite like her. Emily. What?
It's so true. Oh, Muddy LeGrew doesn't work. It's a calling.
It's fine, I'll fix it.
It's not supposed to happen. 5-win streak.
Okay, I gotta crush him here.
Is this the emergency comment?
Yeah, but we're just gonna use all of them now.
Unless we run into an odd number, so save that one.
Okay. We're gonna be here for a hot second.
Why was it? Like, when you see it's gonna take a while and it's gonna be a speed up, say those nice one-liners. It's perfect to start.
Next time I'll say, we're gonna be here for a cold second.
I'm gonna. Hey, you wanna give me Muddly Grew? You know, actually, no, I'll watch it this time. You got this.
Why? Because the win streak?
No?
I can break your streak.
Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. It's been a while, you know?
It's been a hot second. It's been a lukewarm second.
I'll wait for it. Here you go.
You said hello. They're like, hi.
Huh? What's up, guys? Does those batteries work?
I think Muddy LeGrew's just dead.
You say it works immediately.
Did you touch
Oh, Bruno goes! Grant gets the streak. Darn.
6-win streak. Don't talk shit.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm about to talk shit. You're about to see a 10-win streak. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A 9-win streak. Alright, take him down.
GG's.
Ends the streak. And now my comeback streak begins.
Confetti Talking Diesel versus
The one and only Gordon Ramsay that lost that other video.
Go!
Gordon! Yeah,
No
come on,
way,
Gordon!
no
Let's
way.
go, Gordon! Let's draw.
Sending Kana or
Nah, I feel like we should just draw that one.
draw?
I feel like the Kana thing's just kind of a dead meme at this point. Yeah, redo. Alright.
That's pretty cool, though.
The coupler got stuck. So that was never gonna leave. Alright, you ready?
Going again with the same ones?
Yeah, but you gotta redo the intro. They're all going up. Alright.
Out of nowhere.
He wasn't even in the fight. He just rolled him off immediately. Cost Grant the game.
Alright.
Darn it. Alright, guys. Come on. We need a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna top. We're gonna get. Maybe not.
The amount of the same characters.
Oh my gosh, right? It's just Percy and Rose. Yeah, you know, let's go classic blow. See what happens.
Blow.
Must be sick.
Classic blow. Where can Cameron get one of those?
Not Gwen. Just realized my rap room. Doing anything fun tomorrow?
Nope.
Wow. Busy. I got my entire week's days booked.
Weeks, days.
Like the days of the week. Minus the work weeks. Not the weekend. I got every other day.
What? Doing what?
I did my business project Monday.
Still
Tuesday I
haven't
went
done
out to eat. Wednesday was this. Thursday was pickleball. Friday I'm doing my English interview with Kenny.
Sorry, job.
Okay, how about... I don't know.
We do it again.
No, we just flip a coin and we just...
Alright.
Your Percy. Not your Percy and Bruno. Oh, wait, that doesn't give you a win streak. No, it doesn't matter. What's up?
Gengar!
I almost wore Blastoise too.
Alright. Hold the phone.
Okay, at this point, let's just get out of here.
We got ping pongs over there.
What?
You guys can play ping pong.
I'm gonna ping your pong.
Okay.
Okay, whoa. How to get Bruno then?
He died when he tried to move.
How many you got? Oh, you got a lot more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Percy, again.
Hero.
Percy,
Not
without
again.
batteries.
Oh, hero.
Young ballet.
Except, dead.
Shocking. It's almost like they have little smaller slits.
There's the tender's out. Tender's out, Grant.
Tender's gone.
How many do you have? Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so Kana will be not in it, and then I will take 3.
Whoa, you get like...
Yeah, because I grabbed it.
Wait.
Hold on. Yeah, do you want to put batteries in? Can you guys tone it down a little bit?
Change your
Maybe,
tone.
Like a video, we're like doing our job. If you guys like, just tone it down a little bit so you're not on camera things.
Sir, you're my employee.
Bro just calls. It's those gold batteries. Suck up here. Wow. Slamming doors.
Door and slam.
Slamming doors now.
Percy. Whiffed.
Whiffed.
Is it
Okay.
dead?
No, it was outside the last thing.
There.
Alright, let's
That's a
move
horrible
on.
high five.
Okay, what's the next round gonna be called?
Thomas.
What's the next
Round 2.
No! What is it? It was...
Well, how many do you have? 1, 2, 3. I got 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11.
That's sweet. 24. I'd say why you won.
Alright, Grid starts off the streak. Doesn't matter though. My guys are winning.
Body time.
Yeah, okay. Alright, 1-1. Can I get my... Get him in the door though. Alright. Let's get rid of these guys. Stand no chance.
Gordon's
Get
dead.
out of here. You ruined my streak, bro. I was at 3. I have the newest streak though. You want... Burr. Bruno, suicide.
I have just 3 Thomases up here in the whip by.
Well, I have 2 Percys and a whiff. Like, not even a competition there. Percy sucks. No, you're still my favorite. You just great written.
I hate. Never mind.
Yeah, that's right.
Barely.
Barely, yeah. So he's locked. You're not locked. You're a goner. It's not a shawl yet. Whiff can do it. Until that coupler's locked, it's a fair fight.
Oh, Percy's moving.
That's good enough, but we're not really anywhere near. Dang it! I should have placed it on the track better.
Thomas!
Talking Thomas V1.
Go!
What are you doing?
Making a delivery.
Those guys
Like Thomas
suck.
promised to deliver on time.
Thomas promise is crazy.
Okay, he's good. This normal Thomas is on fire. Alright. He interlocked! Bro is a genius.
You have a single winner.
Yeah, I have whiff. I got whiff.
Okay,
And I can still win the next one.
I don't have any more. Alright, I've got 4. How many you got?
2, 3.
Okay. Whoa. No, keep it 2.
Wait, you only have 2?
I have 4. So we need to keep it even.
You have 4, yeah, and I have 3.
It's 7. If you had 2, it'd be 6.
So what is your plan? Since you have 4 and I only have 2 to use.
Give you one.
Oh, and keep Ligger for later. Okay, smart.
Yeah. For the final.
Yeah. Alright. I knew it!
Moving on to the semifinals. Thomas for the win. Thomas for the win.
Main
Moving on to
character.
the semifinal.
Barely, but still a win.
All right.
How many you got?
None or 2.
I got 2.
Yep.
Alright. Yes! Alright. Have the arms. Alright. No! Alright. I'm just gonna slam, put whip down. Alright, guys. Clearly the competition was rigged. Unfortunately, whip won. Don't worry, our next one's gonna be better than ever.
Recycling is a conspiracy theory.
Hold on, I gotta leave.
It doesn't actually work.
Stop moaning over there! Let's time it to actually go up. Okay, there we go.